Y'all keep doing your thing. I just want to give you a tip for no ass reason. Okay. It's cool though. Like, yeah, what else is going on, man? So you got the picture, that's different. When I party, we pop bottles. So, in here, like, you balling right now. Because you probably paid about $9 for that picture. You get about 10 of them, go home fucked up, everything's good. That's what's up. That's different. I might try that in the club next week, I might start a trend, you feel me? Be the dude in the club with the picture. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all, you with the bright ass Adidas suit, I see you. I saw you when you almost died outside too, you fell for no ass reason, that's what's up. But shout out to y'all for getting your drink on, that's what's up. We got any parents in the building? Anybody got kids in here? Clap if you got children. Okay. Mother's Day was the other day, shout out to the mothers in the building. The mothers who play mothers and fathers. I'm a parent myself. I know y'all look up here and y'all like, yeah, right, you're a little kid. No, really, I am. I'm a father with 3 kids, 3 children, ladies and gentlemen, 3 boys. Clap, please, I need it. It helps me. Thank you, yeah. Raising kids is crazy, it's real different, like, I'm a young parent, so I, go to parent-teacher meetings with my kids, you understand? And, one time I walked in the parent-teacher meeting, it's funny, me and my oldest son, he's 13, by the way. We sat down, and the teacher, she's sitting there, she keeps looking back and shit. So, I'm like, how you doing? I'm Sharif, and she's like, yeah, okay, that's, so when are the parents coming, are you the big brother, the uncle, shit like that. It was crazy, and I get upset, but at the same time, it's a compliment, because I look young, but my son is old, so, I feel away, like, I take my kids to Red Lobster, stuff like that, we go out to eat, and it's me and my 3 kids, and they'll give us 4 children's menus. Like, I don't need the crayons. You understand? I can read. You understand what I'm saying? Like, it's real crazy. But like I said, I love being a parent at the end of the day. So I'm gonna keep telling these jokes. Y'all keep laughing, because if not, then I'm gonna start robbing people. Okay? I'm fucking with you. Listen, man. I tried everything. Legal though, all legal shit. I done worked everywhere in the world. Flip burgers, I did all types of shit. So, if this comedy shit don't work, seriously though, I'm gonna rob a couple of you motherfuckers. So grab your purses and shit. Nah, seriously though. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get this show started. Like I said, I was gonna warm y'all up. I appreciate y'all giving me a chance. I really